Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I recently started doing my own gel polish manicures from home, and I'm still learning a lot of the tricks of the trade, but a new nail tool that I got recently that I love is this Atopskins nail drill. It comes with a good selection of accessories and nail drill bits, which was all really helpful for me to get started. The unit itself is so pretty and girly. I love the pink-purple gradient. It even comes with a mini UV light, which I love. This is going to be great for me while I'm traveling if I want to fix one of my nails on the go. I found this drill amazing and helping me to really clean up my cuticle area before I apply gel polish. When it comes to removing gel polish, I have had such a hard time with that. Trying to soak it off with acetone has really dried out my cuticles and made my nails brittle. I've recently been learning to use this nail drill to remove my gel polish, and I have been so impressed at how fast and effective this method is. I feel much more equipped to care for my nails from start to finish thanks to this nail drill. But that's just my point of view.